Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 7 Nike edition, and I'm gonna show you how to add more watch faces on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. To do it, you can simply tap on the screen or press the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And here you have the list of watch faces added to your watch. By default, there's only one, but as you can see, I have two more because I added some. And to add more watch faces, you can do it either on your watch or through the watch application on your iPhone. To do it on your watch, open the watch face menu right here, scroll all the way to the right and tap on this plus button on new. And here you should have a list of watch faces you can add on your watch. Quite a few of them. Find the one you like and tap on add button to add it. Like this. And here we can customize it. Basically we can change the color. Then we can swipe left, change the widgets, complications. And that's all. And once you're done customizing, press the crown button to confirm. And as you can see, the watch face was added to this list right here. And you can add, I'm not sure if you can add as many as you want, but you can add more for sure. And you can also, of course, select the watch face you added to use it, to apply it on your watch. If you want to add watch faces via the watch app on your iPhone, just bring your iPhone, open the watch app on your phone. In the app, you should see this My Watch page right here once you open it. And here we have the list of faces, watch faces rather, installed, rather added to our watch. And as you can see, we have only 4. But in the app, we can add more. To do it, simply tap on Face Gallery right here. And here we have the whole list of watch faces we can add to our watch. In the app, you have a bigger choice than on your watch only. So it's probably better to just use the app for it instead of doing it on the watch. Now, find the watch face you like. For example, let's find some Nike digital. For example, this one, the gray one. Tap on it to select it, and here we can customize the watch face before we add it. Again, we can change the colors, we can change the style, and we can change the widgets, or rather complications. Like this. And once you're done customizing the watch face, tap on add right here to add it to your watch. And once you go back to my watch right here, to the list of watch faces, here we have the watch face we added and was also automatically applied on our watch. You can also remove the watch faces from this list from your watch. To do it, simply tap on edit right here, find the watch face you want to remove and tap on the minus button next to it, then tap remove to remove it. You can also change the order of the list of watch faces. Basically, if you want to have this watch face at the bottom of the list or at the end, simply press and hold the sorting button next to it and drag it to the bottom, then tap done. And once you're done and open the watch face menu on your watch face, the Nike one, should be at the end, as you can see. Another thing we can do is to remove the watch faces straight from watch. You don't need to do it in the app. To do it, open the watch face menu, find the watch face you want to remove, swipe up on it to remove it, or rather, then tap on remove to remove it, like this. As you can see, the watch face is gone. Okay, and that's how you add more watch faces on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.